This, if you look at the bowl, all you see are beans. Now watch as I shake it.
Welcome to MooMooMath and Science and 4 science demonstrations. Let's take a look at shrinking chips, swirling food colors, cloud in a bottle, and finally, magic beans.
Have a bag, any type of chip bag will work. Place it on about 10 seconds. It will spark. Okay, you bring it out, and it is teeny tiny. Okay, that's another favorite. Next one, especially if you have a camera set up in your classroom that your whole class can watch this, this is pretty good. Now, I will caution you, you need a plate. I did it one time with a bowl, and it was a flop. Okay, so basically I've poured milk, and then you put a couple of different drops of food coloring, okay? And then what we do, and if you happen to be an elementary teacher, this is a winner, and you could actually do this for each of your students. And then all I have is a Q-tip and Dawn some type of detergent, and I just place the Q-tip with detergent on this, and it makes a nice cool design, and it moves away. Basically just have a bottle, pour everything out, and then you put a little rubbing alcohol in it, okay, and you can see a little bit, not a whole lot, and then kind of swirl it around, and then you place, you have to get it under pressure because you're making a cloud, okay, and you pump it up, and voila, instant cloud. Now here's the other cool part. Once you do that, you then can pump it back up and the cloud goes away. The balls come up to the top. Okay, and I'll show that one more time. So what you do is you put the objects underneath the beans so that they can't see anything, so it looks like there's nothing there, and then you start shaking and they come to the surface.